Hey friends, this is Atif for Pure Val and welcome to the update on Dogelon Mars. Recently, the price of Dogelon Mars broke at this very long-term resistance on that start from 2205 and goes to 2500, point double zero double zero and double zero 6 times 0.2500 dollar. But after the breakout, we had a long spike, but the price end could not break out the next long-term resistance of 5520. In fact, we also did not break out this resistance of 4200 as well. After this rejection, the price then dropped down here again inside this previous resistance line. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for a few days it had been acting as a support line, but now again we have broken down the support line, and now again it is acting as a resistance. We got stabilizations here, and now the pricing is dropped down here at this long-term support that is here at 1420. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this 1420 point double zero and double zero 6 times 0.1420 dollar has been previously breaking as a resistance here and support here. Therefore, again, it is breaking as support. And we are very close to hit the next long-term up trend line support as well. That is, by the way, coming from here from the month of June 2021. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this down channel and from this falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of Feb 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this is the trade setup for TRX, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can watch when I shared this signal. Like this trade setup I shared on 14th of Feb 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Dogelon Mars, and here you can see that. Let me to show you on the daily time frame, and here you can see that recently we broke out this channel. Then we had a nice pump. By the way, the technical target for this breakout from this channel was here at the top of the channel at 420, but the price line could not break out this resistance, and now we have broken down this very long-term support down. That starts from 2500 and goes to double 205. That is again acting as a resistance. You can see that for several days we got rejection, and now we are dropped down at this next long-term support of 1420. In fact, it can be a complete support down from 1420 to 1150. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that it had been working as a support zone and resistance zone here. In fact, it was working as a support zone here, and support zone here, support zone here, and support zone here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a very, very strong support. And by the way, inside this support zone, we also have this very long-term up trend line support as well. That is coming from the month of June 2021. We got bounce here, and at the bounce here, and at the bounce here, and several touch points here at the support. And then we had another very, very massive bounce. Now, here on the 7 day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is, by the way, here at the top of this wedge. That is at point double zero double zero and zero 5 times 0.2276 dollar. So this also update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.